the jacket collar popped like antenna, never knowing when to stop. Sunglasses indoors, par for the cause, lights in the floors and sweat on the walls, cages and holes. Call off the search for your soul, or put it on hold again. She's having a sly indoor smoke. She calls the folks who run this oldest friends, sipping and drinking, laughing at imaginary jokes. 'Cause all the signals are sent, arise, invite you to approach. And it seems as though those lumps in your throat that you just swallowed have got you going. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Number one, Party Anthem. She's a certified mind blower, knowing full well that I don't. May suggest there's somewhere from which I might know her, just to get the ball to roll. Drunken monologues, confused because it's not like I'm falling in love. I just want you to do me no good, and you look like you could. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Number one, Party Anthem. Come on, come on, come on. Before the moment's gone. Number one, Party Anthem. Yeah, yeah. The look of blood, the rush of blood. left up last life lane, just sounding it out, but you're not coming back again. Falling about, you took a last life lane, just sounding it out, but you're not coming back again. You used to get yes, now you wanna get it in that trust. You scarred up the noise, it's the niceness, become a crisis. Everything's in order in a black hole. Is everything is way slow? That bloody man is like an urge of fun. Now when you used to be a rascal. I'm up a bit on a string, Tracy Island, time traveling diamond, could achieve heartaches. I come to find you, for in some velvet morning, years too late. You silver lining, Lone Ranger riding through an open space. In my mind, she's not right there beside me. Here isn't where I want. Satisfaction feels like a distant memory, and I can't help myself. All I wanna hear me say is, are you mine? Well, are you mine?
wants a kiss from wants to kick you. There's nothing that you couldn't slip